you took the Java Masterclass course, and if you also managed to complete the CLI project. So here you can see that I can book a car, I can view all booked cars, available cars and whatnot. Also view users. So if I press 6, for example, there we go. And this gives me a list of users, and you can see their names as well. So the ID is kind of long, but you can see we've got a couple of users in here. And if we want to book a car, we basically press 1, select the user, the car and whatnot, right? Now, let's say that I've got this application right here and it's now super popular and I want to start a business, right? So I want to start a business and I want to allow other developers to also book cars through my system. Now, obviously they don't have access to my source code. So they don't have access to basically in here, you can see like all these classes and enums and whatnot, right? So in order for them to be able to make use of this system, I need to expose an API that clients can use in order to book cars through my system. So this is the overall idea, and you might decide to have public APIs, partner APIs, private APIs, depending on basically what you are building. So this is what we want. Hopefully APIs really start to make sense. And the main idea is, if I build this application right here, and let's say that this now, it's so popular and it has thousands and thousands of classes, right? So I've got all the infrastructure to book cars and whatnot. And instead of you building the exact same thing and trying to compete with me, for example, and let's say that there's no way that you can, you might just reuse what's already out there. So you might just use my API and build your services on top of it. So the same with Stripe. So instead of building a way for you to collect money from scratch, which can be really difficult and you need to be regulated and approved and whatnot, you basically just use their solution in order to build your applications. And you can see there's a bunch of people that use Stripe. So Deliveroo, Booking.com, Made, Monzo, H&M and whatnot. Actually, thousands of websites use Stripe. And this is the benefit of APIs. As always, let me know. Otherwise, let's carry on.